this was an accident.
Walking free, the man behind the controls during the deadly Amtrak derailment along Frankford Curve is no longer facing charges tonight. But not everyone is happy about the judge's decision. Good evening, everyone. I'm Yuki Washington.
I'm Jessica Dean. Eyewitness News reporter Joe Holden is live in Center City. And Joe, you were in the courtroom when those charges were thrown out.
Yeah, and there was celebration on Brandon Bostian's side. Let's go ahead and run down the timeline. He walks into court facing charges related to the 8 deaths associated with the Amtrak 188 derailment in May of 2015. There were absolute fireworks during this 4.5-hour preliminary hearing. But in the end, the judge found the evidence did not meet the standard to hold these charges over for trial. Tonight, Bostian is a free man. The question going forward, what comes of a prosecution, if anything? The scene of derailed 188 was a minefield of high voltage lines and mangled trains crushed like tin cans. Those were the words from the witness stand of a Philadelphia police officer who rushed to the scene May 12, 2015. The first 2 victims he found were dead, body parts strewn about the wreckage. The first car no longer a recognizable train. Riding in that car was Blair Berman, the woman on your left. On impact, she blacked out and was ejected. Berman eventually regained consciousness and had a crushed heel bone and broken arm. She's wearing white, seen in the foreground of this photo that was introduced into evidence. 2 people away from her, Brandon Bostian, the train's engineer, on his phone. A municipal court judge mid-afternoon dismissed negligence charges against Bostian. Prosecutors had asserted he was responsible for the deaths of 8 people.
Today there was justice. Brandon Bostian is a good man. His heart breaks for the loss of life in this case and the tragedy that occurred.
The story of how charges were filed is a complex narrative. The Philadelphia DA's office turned down the case, citing a lack of evidence. Eventually, the Attorney General filed charges, picking up the case hours before the statute of limitations was set to expire. Bostian lost situational awareness, according to an NTSB report, as he zoomed 188 into an S-curve. The lack of situational awareness proved to be a central element in today's hearing. Prosecutors fought any mention of those 4 words being introduced. A deputy attorney general called it junk science. And at this point, attorneys for the victims say they are stunned with today's development of these charges being tossed out. As far as if they will be refiled, the only thing that the Attorney General's office will say, and they said it in a statement to us, is that they are reviewing their options. That is the latest. Live outside the Criminal Justice Center, Joe Holden, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Joe, thank you.